Okay, this is Malden, Massachusetts, just north of Boston, and this is where I live. And we are, as you can see all the snow, we are in a huge winter storm. As you can see, I'm stepping down. I did this a little earlier, and you can see below, everything is white. I love it, love it, love it. We're gonna go into the street. There's drifts, as you can see. Everything is white. This is the street, and it is awesome, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is in front of my house where I live. I love it. Tons. And let me show you me. Hi. And I love it. It is awesome. So it's following me everywhere this year. And it keeps snowing. Alright. Peace out. Bye.